Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. 6th class, how are you? Now we are reading our English book, New Oxford Modern English. The page number is of textbooks 94. And here we are doing the part comprehension A part. Question number 2. Explain the italicized words and phrases in your own words. Here they have given us the words we have used in our own words. We read the sentence. It was on this that the man's attention was focused. Here the word focused is we use in our own word. Okay. The forest was bathed in a deep and glow from the setting sun. I have underlined these words which we have to use in our own words. The man on the platform stiffened. The stiffened word we will use in our own word. She charged her back and bared her teeth. Here the word bared her teeth. We use these words in our own words. How you will make a sentence as you can make the sentence of focused. He focused the scene very beautifully, and here you can write your own in your own words the sentence stiffened. She stiffened where she stood. Its mean is uncomfortable, and vast in deep, its mean is as it is in this surrounding is very deep or dark, means as we get a bath like this. The forest was bathed means के उसमें घिरा हुआ, ठीक है ना. फॉरेस्ट जो था वो डीप रेड ग्लो में अंधेरे में घिरा हुआ. तो यू कैन से द फॉरेस्ट वाज बाथ इन अ डार्क, और द हाउस वाज बाथ इन अ डार्क, और द स्ट्रीट वाज बाथ इन अ डार्क. You can say this. The man on the platform stiffened. The stiffened meaning is uncomfortable. You can say, use this word in your sentence. She stiffened where she stood. Or you can say the man was stiffened on this small chair. She arched her back and bared her teeth. Bared her teeth, it means her lips come down as she's smiling. You can say he said no more, but he bared her teeth. Okay, and the next question we will do in page number 95. You will see page number 95, working with words, the part B of comprehension. Mr. is an abbreviation for the word Mr. Do you know what these abbreviations stand for? They have given us the abbreviations in this box, and we will tell the complete words of these abbreviations as APR. It's the abbreviation of April. ASST, it's the abbreviation of assistant. AV, avenue. BROS, brothers. CERT, century. DEC, December. DIP, diploma. DOZ, dozen. FEB, February. July. Monday, profession or professor. And this is Saturday. You can say it's SOC, society, university, and miscellaneous. Okay, these are the abbreviations of these words. Use the following words in sentences of your own and say which part of speech they are. You know, these are how we can say these are adverbs, adjectives, verbs, nouns, or conjunctions. What are these words? We will say cautiously, nervously, actually, courageously, and furiously. These are the adverbs. You will say these are the adverbs, and you will use these in your sentences. You will these in your sentences. Now do the practice of these questions. Thank you so much.